this handsome guy right here? That's me. What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna make a little tone. I'm gonna show you guys how you can do super easy chords and then turn that into a good beat.
You can get the fuck up on my shit. 100 round, hitting with the Glock, take a fucking dog.
You know what I mean? You really don't have to go too crazy. You just have to use effects, keep it tasteful, and just make what you like. You know what I mean? Just pick good sounds or pick any sound and just make it work. That's kind of what I've been trying to do recently because I noticed I've been going back and forth a lot. So going forward, I'm just picking a sound, sticking with it, and making it fit. You know what I mean? So let's get right into it. Trust the process. We're gonna do it. It's gonna be fire. Let's go. I'm gonna do 130 BPM. I'm just gonna use I'm basically gonna show you guys how to like sauce up your melodies using shaperbox, Portal, and I'm just gonna go OD on the effects. Basically just keep the melody super simple, but we're gonna stack it with a bunch of effects like I just said. So let's do that. Let's go crazy. Let's go wild. Let's get freaky. Like I said in the last video, I'm working on a kit update, which should be out by the time you guys are seeing this video. So if you guys copped the kit, go check your email. If you haven't copped it yet, go to the store, get it right now. You guys will get a bunch of added sounds. So yeah, that being said, so I'm gonna go to the updated one shots and let's just pick out some random sound and then go crazy. And I'm trying out a new philosophy picking sounds. So I'm trying out like a new philosophy towards cooking up. I'm gonna stop going back and forth between sounds so much. So I'm gonna try to pick something and then I'm gonna make it fit. Do D sharp minor. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna add it to the mixer and let's add shaperbox. Yeah. Shaperbox never saves a preset. I'm gonna bounce it just in case I go back to this project anytime or it crashes. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this second sound. The sound will be rendered into the mixer. I'm gonna replace this first sound just to get a layer. I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna move it over. Actually, first I'm making not clip. Go over here to declicking mode and then general. Then it just takes out like the clip right here. Try pitching that one up. So it's kind of out of key, I'm not even gonna lie. Keep it like that though. Like I said, I'm gonna try not going back and forth. I'm just gonna lock in and just get it done, you know? Let's add a lead. Let's get another lead. Yeah. Let's make this one slide. Actually, let's reverse it. Let's put this velocity on. Yeah. Let's do like a double reverse, maybe. Okay, now we need some like a thicker sound. Pause. No diddy on that. But let's go to expand. Let's get an organ. Why not? Got choruses. I'm not a Portal to that lead. Okay, hit this red button and then Option R, and then we can bounce it out. That sounds crazy. I'm gonna change this organ though. Gotta cut these out. Let's just hit T for the mute tool. And then let's just paste it over. I gotta add a portal to this one. Make it glitch. Mute this lead for now. I gotta do something to this though. Add a pan flow. Yeah, let's add a key. Let's add a key. Let's add a key. So this envelope. Let's make it cut right away. Let me just copy these chords. Hold up. Hold up. Yeah, let's sauce it. Let's get a shaperbox in it. And another one. Yeah. That shoots a high. We're gonna reverse it right here. caught me, they got me, they got me, they got me. You guys broke FL, man. I always gotta be like that, huh? He's gonna do it again, huh? Hop on the boat. Yo, let's fly, man. This is crazy. Yeah, guys, you can literally turn anything into like a good beat, you know what I mean? So we basically just started with some super easy chords and then just did a bunch of effects, and then we somehow got to this, you know? Just click random shit and just have fun, you know what I mean? That's the most important part. It's just having fun. I'm on Twitter now. I'm tweeting some game, trying to help you guys, just spitting my thoughts, you know what I mean? But follow me on Twitter, links down below. Follow me on Instagram @ProdMayze. Follow UNDERDOGS.OOO. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.